Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making Mexican themed strawberries, and these are super yummy and super easy to make, so let's get started. Let's begin with our fresas locas. For this you will be needing freshly washed strawberries, of course, tajin, and some chamoy. I am beginning by taking this wooden apple stick and just sticking it through my strawberry. This really keeps the strawberry nice and sturdy, so I highly recommend. Okay, now let's begin dipping our strawberry into the chamoy like so. I am rotating it inside and then just tapping off the excess. Now I am just starting at the very top and coating it with the tajin and then working my way down like so. Okay, and that is it for this strawberry. Look at how yummy that looks. Okay, now for our Masapan Strawberries, you will be needing strawberries once again, my usual white chocolate that I get from Walmart, and some Masapan. Alright, and then I placed my melted down chocolate and my crushed Masapan into some containers like these. Now I will be dipping my strawberry, rotating it inside of the chocolate, getting it nice and coated. Taking off the excess once again by tapping the back of my hand. Alright, let's get this nice and coated with our crushed Masapan. As you can see here, I am rotating and coating as I go. Okay, once your strawberry is nice and coated with the Masapan, take a toothpick like so and pick up a little bit of chocolate and place it on top of the strawberry. This is going to act like the glue for our rose. I made this out of fondant. I will leave the mold that I use linked down below for you guys. Look at how pretty that looks. Let's move on to our Duvalin strawberries. Once again, you will be needing strawberries, white chocolate, some semi-sweet chocolate chips, and some oil-based red food coloring. Here I've melted down my chocolate. Let's begin with the white chocolate. I am taking my strawberry and rotating it inside of the chocolate to get it nice and coated. Tap off the excess. Right here I'm just putting in a couple drops of this red food coloring to color my white chocolate pink. Alright, once everything is nice and combined, go ahead and dip your strawberry halfways. And then just repeat the same step with your brown chocolate to give it that third layer. Moving on with our paleta payaso strawberry, you will be needing some blue and red candy melt and your semi-sweet chocolate chips. Begin by melting down all your chocolate. Here I've already placed my melted blue chocolate into a Ziploc bag. And then just cut off the end of your Ziploc bag like this. As you can see here, I'm going to be piping out the eyes with my melted blue chocolate. And then with the toothpick, I am just perfecting them and turning them into some nice round circles. Then taking some of these clear sugar sprinkles, I'm going to be adding them onto the eyes. You can find these sprinkles at Walmart or Michael's, but I will also be linking them down below for you guys. This is how they turned out. They look really similar to the ones on the paleta. There's really no need for you guys to go buy a whole pack of paletas just so you guys can take the gummies out. You can just make them yourself and they look the same pretty much. Now begin making the payaso smile with some red melted chocolate. I am doing this on some parchment paper, by the way. You can also do it like I'm doing here. You don't really have to put the melted chocolate into a Ziploc bag and pipe it out. You can also do it like this if you prefer. Once you are done with that, you can go ahead and put them into the freezer to set, and let's begin dipping our strawberry into our brown chocolate. And then for the payaso strawberries, I tried to pick out the strawberries that were a little bit more wide just so I would have more space to place the eyes and the smile. So that's just like a little tip for you guys. Now let's take out the eyes and the smile from the freezer. And with the brown chocolate still very wet and melted, go ahead and place the eyes and the smile onto your strawberry very carefully. And you're done. Alright, that is all for today's video, you guys. Here's an overview of the strawberries together. They look super beautiful and they taste even better, so I highly recommend that you guys make them. And I am so sorry for the lisp that I had going on throughout this whole video. I actually just got braces a few days ago, so my mouth is still trying to adapt to metal on my teeth, so I am so sorry if that was annoying. But anyways, that is all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!